benzodiazepine acts on brain. Here is the brain. The benzodiazepine acts on benzodiazepine receptor located on the different parts of the brain. So it causes the depressive activity of the neural circuit within the brain. It will reduce the neural activities of the here we can see the area that is known as the limbic system. This part is known as the limbic system. This is the cingulate gyrus. Here is the fornix. In this part of the fornix there is the mammillary body, and this fornix ends up in the forming the hippocampus and the amygdala. And here is the olfactory bulb, olfactory tract, and here we can see in the brain that forms the limbic system. Here is the olfactory bulb, olfactory tract. This is the mammillary body. Here is the parahippocampal gyrus. All these things form the limbic system. The benzodiazepine depresses the activities within the limbic system. Limbic system is related with our memory, our emotion, and our learning. So the depression of this function is on systemic effect of benzodiazepine. This part of the brain is depressed by benzodiazepine. And here is another part. We can see here here is the midbrain, here is the medulla, here is the cerebellum. In this midbrain or brainstem there is the reticular formation. Reticular formation remains in this part of the brainstem. The reticular formation is related with our sleep and awake cycle. Benzodiazepine depresses the activities of this reticular formation. So the depression of this reticular formation induces the sleep, and the center of respiratory center are in this medulla. The benzodiazepine also depresses the activities of the respiratory center of the brain, and the muscle tone is maintained by the cerebellum and the nucleuses that remain in this the neuron that remains in this medulla. And the benzodiazepine also depresses the activities of the cerebellum and the activities of the medulla. So we can see here that the benzodiazepine has some activities in this memory thinking process of the limbic system, so it reduces the tension, anxiety. So benzodiazepine can act as the anxiolysis acting on this limbic system. Benzodiazepine can induce the sleep. So they are the hypnotics. They work in this reticular formation. They are the sedative. Sedative means they reduces the activity of the skeletal muscle, usually the skeletal muscle, the excitability. So it reduces the activities of the cerebellum and the medulla. It also depresses the respiratory center situated in this ear. And the benzodiazepine also acts by reducing the blood pressure, reducing the coronary vessel resistance, not the blood pressure, coronary vascular resistance, by dilating the coronary blood vessel. And also it has some action in this sympathetic, parasympathetic and the enteric nervous system. So some action can be seen in the GIT, anxiety related gastrointestinal disorder. So the benzodiazepine acts in this system. So our mechanism of action is the benzodiazepine receptor, that means GABA A receptor, and the action on this part of the brain, the limbic system, the reticular formation, medulla, cerebellum. These are the mechanism of action of benzodiazepine and the effect on organ and system. Effect on sleep. The benzodiazepine has some effect on normal sleep. So first of all, we have to know what is the normal sleep. In the normal sleep, before going to sleep, the human remain awake. So from the onset of sleep and go into the bed, this time is known as the sleep latency or onset of sleep time. The time that needed to enter into sleep from going to the bed, this is known as the sleep latency period. This is the sleep latency. And then after entering into sleep, the human has some stages of sleep. This is the non-REM sleep. First they enter into the non-REM sleep. This non-REM sleep has stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and stage 4. Then there is the REM sleep. From the stage 1 to the stage 4, the whole time duration is 90 minutes. During the normal sleep, human has some sleep cycle. Here you can see, here is a sleep cycle. Here you can see, here is the state, awake state, it is 30 minutes. Here is the 30 minutes of sleep latency. And here is the sleep latency. Then they enter into the REM sleep. Here is the REM sleep. Then into the stage 1, stage 2, they remain into the stage 2 for a few minutes, then again to the stage 1, then again to the stage 2, then stage 3. This is the elderly sleep cycle, but in a young adult, here you can see, here is the latency of sleep. Here is the sleep latency. Starting from here to here, this is maximum half an hour. Then they enter into the REM sleep. Then stage 1, very short period in the stage 1, then stage 2. This is 15 minutes, about 15 minutes. Then they go into the stage 3, then stage 4, and again stage 3, stage 4, stage 1, and REM sleep. Sometimes they remain in this stage 1 and then again stage 2, and sometimes they go back to the REM sleep and stay in here for a few minutes, then again stage 1, stage 2. And you can see that here is stage 4 is more, here is stage 4 is less, and in the last stage there is no stage 4. And here is the stage 2. Here is the less stage 2, here is the more stage 2. And important thing in this, in elderly people, there is no stage 4 sleep. So effect of benzodiazepine are that they reduce the sleep latency. Here the elderly and the people who has the sleep disturbance, there are different forms of sleep disturbance. The benzodiazepine reduces the latency of the sleep, number 1. Number 2, the benzodiazepine increases the stage 2, this stage 2 stage of the non-REM sleep. Benzodiazepine increases this hour in this stage 2. But the benzodiazepine reduces this stage 4 sleep. This stage 4 sleep is deep sleep. Benzodiazepine reduces this stage 4 sleep. And different benzodiazepine has different effect on this sleep cycle.